noise, people in dry land. That's what you call the Thunderbirds. You don't mess with the Thunderbirds. Yep, I always said it. That's got to be the Thunderbirds. I looked at it. Thunderbirds. The Air Force Thunderbirds. Oh yeah. That's the Air Force. Yeah, the Blue Angels, they're from the Navy. The Thunderbirds, oh, they've been around, like I said before. There we go. Old Glory. You see the flag over there? And you got the PO and MIA flag underneath Old Glory. Yeah, we got some flags out here. Amen. That's right. I'm a patriotic. Oh yeah, this is for the fallen. Remember, it's memorial in memory of the fallen. That's right. Don't forget, we got Veterans Day. That's a little further back, a little further down. Oh yeah, that'll be veterans. We'll put the flags up. I always put my flag up, regardless. Let me show you a little bit over here. What do we have out here? Got the lifeguards out there, sir. Yeah, somebody's out there. If you could zoom in, people. Well, we got the ship. Like I mentioned before, people on dry land. That's the Coast Guard. You see it all the way down yonder? All right. Alright, people in dry land, that's it. Can't show you anymore. This is too loud for me. Plus my arms are getting tired. That's about it, people. I always promise to show you some spectacular show out here. There are quite a few people over here for a Friday, don't forget. And if you could look in the parking lot, got a lot of motorhomes out there. See if I can zoom in and zoom out. You see it? Zoom in. They got a lot of homes out there with the flags, of course. And we got the workers out here. We got the workers, the state police, Coast Guard, security. I love it. All right, people in dry land, this is Bobby Bandana saying, another beautiful day in paradise. Oh yeah. Let me weather you guys so you know who's talking. My hair, oh my wig is all messed up over here. Wait. Get the camera out, man. No, I gotta fix the mustache here. All right, people in dry land. Let's have another beautiful day in paradise. One more time, I'll show you the airplanes. Go. Put the camera over there.